Today I'm going to show you how I remixed Crab Rave and turned it into a phonk song. First, pick out your cowbells. Second, lay down this melody. Third, layer the melody 3 times. Do the same thing with the other cowbells. And then grab a crazy kick. And then grab your classic phonk snare. Layer that snare with a reverbed snare. This is what they sound like together. The next step is to add percussion. Now for the bass, use a bass shot. I got mine from my Cashmere pack. This is what it sounds like unmixed. And this is the mixed version. Then you just put that all together, add a few sound effects, and boom, this is the final version.